The authorities in Iran say they'll dismantle the police unit that enforces the Islamic dress code. But a BBC Persian service correspondent says this doesn't necessarily mean that the law on the hijab will be disbanded. Anti-government protests have swept Iran since the death of a young woman in custody.
China appears to be dismantling its policy of mass testing for coronavirus, one of the main parts of its zero COVID strategy. From today, residents using public transport in Beijing and Shanghai no longer need to show proof of a negative test.
At the Football World Cup in Qatar, Brazil have reached the quarter-finals after a convincing 4-1 win over South Korea. Next, they'll face Croatia, who earlier beat Japan on penalties to reach the last 8 of the tournament. Croatia were the losing finalists 4 years ago.
The US technology giant Apple is being sued by 2 women who say its AirTag product enabled former partners to stalk them. The devices are designed to prevent keys and wallets being lost.
Japan's lower house has approved a bill to tighten regulations around donations to religious groups following the assassination of the former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe in July. The attacker said he targeted Mr. Abe because of his party's connections to the Unification Church.